Good morning, good morning, good morning, my beautiful peeps. How you all going today? Janine here again, guys, rocking it out for my gorgeous, beautiful, and totally amazing over 40s today. Auckland, New Zealand, guys. That's where I am. That's where I'm from. This is my hair that's growing out, guys. So I wanted to show you a very quick and easy way to get ready. I am freezing, I'm hoodied up, it is so cold over here in Auckland, New Zealand, guys, so I am very frustrated with my hair at the moment. As you can see, it's growing out. I'm not sure what to do with it, so I'm going to get ready with you this morning. I want to show you the truth that there's no use really in putting in wigs, and I love them, but it isn't, how would you say it? It isn't convenient every day to do that, you know. So I'm going to do something with my hair. I'm going to do a very quick get ready with me with you guys this morning. And I want to show you guys how, you know, reality really is. So this morning, my beautiful peeps, I'm going to take myself from looking absolutely tragic like this to looking like that. What do you think of her? What do you think of her? I think she's pretty good. That was fast. Yeah, awesome. So let's jump straight into it, guys. My hair is awesome. I love it. It's grown back after the overdone crap that I've done to it. Slowly growing back, as you can see. You know, I'm putting in the clip-in extensions and everything, and this morning I just thought, no, I need to, how would you say it, be natural. So before it dries up, I have put some product in, guys. I want to show you what I'm using. I am actually using this Lot of Body, that one there. So I mix that in with anything that I'm using, whether it be a mousse or anything like that. So my new love at the moment for my moisturizer, guys, is this bad boy here. Now this is the Lumiere, the moisturizing cool gel cream, and I like it. It's like a gel, so it's nothing too thick. It allows your makeup to go over the top really easily. It's very hydrating. So I need to use definitely slather that on today. So what do you think I should do with this here? I could tie it back or back bobby pin it, which is what I usually like to do because it's just so unruly at the moment, if you know what I mean. Actually, you know what's really good? These big clippy combs. These are actually really fantastic for people for growing your hair out, eh? My hair's so thin at the top. That's okay. We're going to fix that with the Rita Hazan, guys. It's going to grow back to its beautiful, luscious pre-self. I'm still taking my vitamins and everything like that, and now I'll just slick it back a little bit. Try and slick it back with this brush is really good for that. And try and get as much of these baby hairs as I can. I hope I'm not tapping my mic. So, and I'll just clip it up because I like that. Then I'll bobby pin any unruly buggers, but it's quite short at the moment, so you know, you just have to work with that. I'm not bothered. I mean, look at that, those pieces there are like falling out. Oh, feels a little bit loose. It's okay. We're going to get the bobby pins on there, eh? So yeah, that's the old hair situation. I'm going to give it a few more months to grow out. Just I like to tidy up all those baby hairs around it, and then I'll show you how I clean up all my greys and stuff like that, eh? So that looks Oh well. That'll have to do. Let's touch up with my number one secret weapon, of choice. Okay, my gorgeous peeps, I have two awesome root covering touch-up products for you, and I've shown it on other videos. This is a Rita Hazan root concealer touch-up spray. Amazing. So I love this. I could not go without it. I'm nearly out. I have to get another one. I also have her pencil here, which is bloody awesome too. And these two products, guys, are going to be your saviors. I am not joking. I love this spray. The downside to this spray is that it does splatter around, so you've got to be very careful where you aim it. It's got like that tiny little spray, but you need to be careful. If you wanted something more precise, use the pencil, but I find that the pencil messes my hair up, so I only use it if I really, really have to. So let's get the spray on and let's tidy up these edges. As you can see, it's kind of thin there a little bit. I just like it to be all nice and tidy, so let me get my mirror. Yeah, I like it to have a nice clean hairline. So let's get that on, shake it up really, really well. And it's really good at covering up the greys too, guys, which I use it for. Spray it everywhere, guys. Yeah, so you can see that. What's that? Oh, that's just nothing. I think it's just drying down. But then you will see if I come up close, it's splattered. So lucky I'm not wearing foundation or anything. So just get your towel, just wipe it. No biggie. No huge biggie. I hate it when I've already put my foundation on and freaking things like splattered everywhere. By the way, do you like my lashes? Lashify, guys. I'm using Lashify. Well, my daughter put them on me yesterday. It's only 2 end pieces. I love the look. I love it. So I've only used the 2 little, instead of doing the whole eye, I just kind of wanted a cat eye effect to make my little tiny eyes look a little bit bigger. And I love that spray. It's awesome to like get rid of grey hairs, because ever since I have gone back to dark brown, I haven't been bloody dark brown for years, my bloody greys are coming through so fast and I'm not used to it because I've always been blonde, you know, and you can't see them. So yeah, it's good, especially here. So that spray's amazing to like touch up on those roots, guys. I highly recommend it. You need to get it. Shit. Okay, my gorgeous peeps, I'm going to do a very, very quick makeup look. Nothing too complicated. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. So I can't find my Linda Hallberg puff, so I'm just going to use this brush to put on a bit of Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Main reason I'm doing this, guys, is because I don't like to leave the foundation like this. It's just too sticky for my liking, so. Okay, my peeps, I want to hit the eye straight away, because this is quite a fast look. Have you guys seen the Viseart Petite 4s? It's the chocolate one. That one there, which is, that's nice. That one. That's Lilas. And, oh, that's pretty, isn't it? That is Framboise. And this is Praline. Yeah, I love these. Perfect. Look how tiny they are compared to my hand. Perfect to put into your bag or anything like that, but I find if I put shadows in my bag, they smash. Should we use the Praline today, not the chocolate, eh? I'm using Natasha Denona eyeshadow base as usual. It is worth doing this. It really is. It only takes a few seconds, so why not? Oh, too much on that one. Okay, let's get in with the Viseart Petite 4, that one, and Praline. I love it. So get yourself a nice fluffy brush and we're just gonna go. There's one matte in here, guys, which is that one there. So just put that colour all over your eyelids, guys. Yes, you know, like that. Even darken it up more. Yeah, like that. I like that. So now, my peeps, I'm going to go on with this one here. Oh no, it's a shimmer. That's it. It's a very light one, which is really nice. I could have just used another brush for that. Nice, just lightly. And then I'm going to intensify that matte. Okay, my peeps, let's speed this up. So I'm going with my Hourglass again. Diffused bronze light, ambient lighting. Beautiful, gorgeous, let's get that on. Okay, eyebrows, guys. Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat, dark brown. Fast and quick, that's what we want. A little bit of eyeliner today. Tom Ford Emotion Proof eyeliner in Abyssinian brown. I love this one. Stays all day. I'm too used to my bloody black eyeliners. I'm like, is this one working? All right. Not even gonna do blush today. Oh yes, no. Okay, that's about all I want to do today, guys, but I do want to show you an awesome way of just picking your whole entire look up, eh? Let's do mascara first. I'm not going to do setting spray. And I'm really enjoying this Lancome Grandiose Extreme Mascara. I really enjoy the handle, yeah? It's so easy to get into those lashes. So I'll just put a little bit on, not too much. And that's it, guys, for that. As long as you've got your mascara on, eh? It's a little bit clumpy on that side, but who cares? Let me show you a really good trick, guys, just to lift your look up if you haven't done much. Hold on up. So a really good trick, my peeps, to like lifting your whole look up, I mean, even if you're feeling like tragic or anything like that, is to put on a nice dark lippy. It kind of takes the focus away from everything else if it's not right, but yeah, and I love it. It just makes you look boom, you know. So probably saw in my last video, I'm enjoying and loving these Juvias Place Berries Collection lippies. So you could go for something like that. That one's a nice one. It's more of a purpley. Ooh, yeah. Then you could go for something a bit like that, which is even more purpley, which shall I wear that one today? I think I'm going to go for this one here because it's more reddier than that one. And having a dark lippy on, guys, just makes you look snatched, whitens your teeth. So let's go. Like that. I love these Juvias Place lipsticks. Hey, so affordable, guys. I mean, I've got some high-end stuff, and these, whoa. These are just, they stay. Look at me. That bloody hairspray on there. See how that dark lip just, you know, I'm wearing a hoodie. Whitens your teeth. What do you think of the look? It's very simple, very chic. Not even chic really, I'm wearing a hoodie. But look at my hair, you know. Au naturel today. It's very cold over here, perfect for the weather. And that was very easy. No blush, nothing like that. No setting spray, very quick, and I've got to get to work. So I'm really happy with this look. Do you like it? Now putting on that ultra dark lippy, really has just totally, it just sets off everything and makes you look all good, I reckon. So yeah, try that if you're feeling, even when I feel a bit sick, you know, and I don't want to do much and I just put eyeliner on, definitely do the eyebrows, of course. Put on a dark lippy, red or something even darker, you know, and it just makes you look all snatched. So that's me, guys. Thank you very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this very easy, chilled look with me here, you know, it's very easy, and I'll catch you up on another video, eh? Take care, everyone, and keep warm. It is freezing. Mwah.